Hey y'all, so this is how the unit looks now that it has been, I shampooed it and co-washed it. So it doesn't have any foul smell, but I did smell a slight chemical smell when I did wash it. And I haven't did anything to the hairline, but I think I'm about to off camera. It doesn't look bad, it looks pretty good. But I think I'm gonna go in and do a little razzle dazzle to it. I'll be back. Okay, it's time to try her on. Y'all, I don't got my mic on today, so if my audio don't sound the best, that's what it is. The lace on this wig, it's like a grayish brown. I don't know how I feel about that. So I'm gonna go in. Ooh, this color is bomb. Now, if you guys have been watching me, you know a few weeks ago I did a similar style, but the color on this one is what I was expecting from the other one. I'm feeling it. Ooh, I can't wait to play in this. Ooh, child. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and tint the lace off camera using a foundation, and then I'll be back. So for this install, I want to do it glueless, but I am going to glue like this temple area down. And I'm going to do a middle part because I don't think I've did a middle part with a color like this before. Child, I could be lying. Wig life be wig lifing. So what I'm going to do is just use my Gorilla Glue, my Even Wonder Lace Bond, and to help melt the lace a little bit more, to make it more seamless looking, I'm going to use the Even Wonder Lace melting spray. And I'll have all that linked down below in my Amazon store.
Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga. I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the mother hoes wasn't about you. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please. Ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please. I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. Tell them about it.
This is how I like to do my most realistic glueless method, because I'm just not that girl who's super comfortable walking out the house without any form of
security.
So that's how it's looking. But we're gonna get everything together even more. I'm gonna take the melting spray. I love this stuff. You know what? I'm gonna spray it on the back of my rat tail comb because it offers me the most security. It won't mess my makeup up, you know. I'm gonna take the Nadula headband along with this mousse. This is the African Pride Rose Water Argan Oil mousse. Now you could just use this, because I have, to melt the lace and wear your wig completely glueless with no adhesive. But baby girl, it's not really my move or whatever.
Now you wishing you were with me, living life so chill.
I'm trying this Herbal Essence Totally Twisted Curl Scrunching Gel for the first time, and I absolutely love the Totally Twisted Curl Boosting Mousse. So amazing for curly hair, and both of these products are super affordable. I'll link them in my Amazon storefront. I hope this is good. Ooh, it smells so good.
Tonight.
school, you was flexing. I know I wasn't the only one you messed with, but it was good, I was on to the next one. I remember when you started checking up, boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the obvious, but you guessed it.
So this is how it's looking right now. I'm gonna go on about my day and let it air dry, and y'all know I'm gonna come back and give y'all the tea. Y'all see them highlights? So pretty. Let me come up closer. That's how the hairline is looking. I think I'm gonna go in and add a little bit of foundation. I added a dark root and some foundation into the parting, and it looks so much better. It's almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon here in California. I'm gonna go on about my day, let my hair air dry, and then when I get ready for the evening time, I'm gonna come back and show you guys how this wig is looking. I think I'm gonna do a part 2 of me restyling this hair in another video. So if you guys would like to see that, stay tuned. It's the highlights for me or whatever. So I'll be back in a few hours to show you guys how this hair is looking air dried, and we'll see how I feel about it by then.
I ain't tripping, just don't push